Law 10. Robert Greene's The 48 Laws of Power is titled Infection. Avoid the unhappy and unlucky. This law revolves around the idea that you should distance yourself from individuals who exhibit a consistency of negative and unlucky disposition. Here's a detailed explanation of Law 10. Identifying the unhappy and unlucky. Negative influence. Law 10 recognizes that people who are persistently unhappy or unlucky tend to carry a negative aura around them and can influence those around them in detrimental ways. Emotional drain. Interacting with such individuals can be emotionally draining and potentially lower your morale and motivation. The power of association. Influence of company. Law 10 emphasizes the idea that people you associate with can significantly impact your own emotional state, behavior, and outlook on life. Mood contagion. Just as positivity can be contagious, negativity and pessimism can spread among a group. Being around consistently unhappy or unlucky people can lead to a more pessimistic perspective. Strategies for implementation. Limit contact. To implement this law, you should limit your contact with individuals who habitually exhibit negative behavior or complain incessantly. Set boundaries. If you cannot completely avoid such people due to work or family obligations, establish boundaries and minimize the time and energy you invest in their problems. Potential risks. Empathy and support. While it's essential to protect your well-being and mindset, it's also important to practice empathy and offer support to individuals who may be going through difficult times, as long as it doesn't significantly harm your own mental and emotional health. Avoiding responsibility. Law 10 should be applied judiciously, as distancing yourself from anyone facing temporary hardships or seeking assistance is not ethical or humane. Examples applying Law 10. Workplace dynamics. In a workplace, you might choose not to spend extensive time with a colleague who constantly complains about the job, as this negativity could influence your own perception of the work environment. Personal relationships. You might decide to limit your interactions with a friend who frequently expresses dissatisfaction and seems to attract problems, as their outlook may affect your own sense of happiness. Team dynamics. In a team setting, a leader could choose to address the concerns of an unhappy or unlucky team member, offering genuine guidance and support, while also being cautious about allowing their negativity to influence the overall team morale. In conclusion, Law 10, Infection, Avoid the Unhappy and Unlucky, underscores the importance of preserving your emotional well-being by avoiding prolonged exposure to individuals who persistently exhibit negative and unhappiness. However, it's crucial to balance this approach with empathy and support when it's warranted and ethical to do so.